They were talking about tectonic plates, Jordan. I was just teaching you about that. You like these rocks, though? You want to go off in that hole and see if we can get in there real quick before we go?
Yeah, so not like that big hole.
Let's go to that big hole over there. It's just over here to the right. Go to the right here. He wants to go in this hole real quick. It's okay. It's right here. It's right around this corner. Right here to the left. Come here, let's go. We'll come back to it. We're gonna have to walk back up here in just a minute. We'll do it in just a minute. Come here, let's go look at this other part real quick. There's one more hole over here we want you to see. We're letting you do it. We're letting you climb on all of them. We're gonna come back to it. There's people playing on it. Let's go find the other one real quick. Look at this. Now it says that fountain formation, 320 to 300 million years. That's how long it took them to make this. Come on, Bo. It's not that bad. You just walk for a few minutes. Come on. Feel rocky there, right? Huh? Okay. No, your whole body's hurting now because you had to walk a few feet. I'm sorry. Come on. They're right there waiting on you. You're taking forever. Hey, stop. 5 more minutes, we'll be in the car.